welcome to this channel.
And today we are going to look at the bread making process. Here we have already done all the mixture of the flour, yeast, all that component that you're supposed to have when making bread. Now we are trying to make some small sizable rounded doughs, but they should all weigh the same so that you may have the same size of bread. Some of you have been wondering how those bread making companies, the Elliott's, the Broadways, the Super Loaf, have been having the correct size of bread throughout. So this is the process. The guy is weighing it out. They should all weigh the same. Now these containers, this is what is going to shape them the same size. To standardize the size is cutting it off, the dough, into those sizes that we are talking about, and you have to keep on applying the dry flour to avoid stickiness to the surface where you're preparing it from on. So there he has rolled it, placed an already greased container that you're going to put in the oven. This container is heating it just to remove the air from the dough. And remember, it's not supposed to fill that container because you have to leave some space for it to rise, because we are not going to take it to the oven immediately. It has yeast, so you have to give it some minutes for it to rise. And later on, we are going to put on a lid on top of these containers that you're seeing here. Remember, they've already been greased first to prevent stickiness. Then you have to put this paper for baking to prevent it from sticking at the bottom, because that's where most of the heat is. So this paper basically is to prevent it from sticking, to make it come out smoothly once we have baked our bread completely. Then on top of it, you still apply butter, and that is what he's doing right now.
Butter.
Before we put in this dough that we are rolling now, punching it. We're going to create some sort of a line. That's why he's rolling it from both sides. See, like that, like that, like that. Yes, like that. That line that you're talking about. Then you take it with that line facing down. It should face the bottom of this container. You press it, or should I say you punch it, but not the boxer punch. No, just press it. So you should not fill the container. Let it rise to fill the container like what we are seeing right now. Then you cover it with that lid to shape it up into square shape. Otherwise, if you leave it open, when it's baking, it'll rise to, you've ever seen those dome-shaped bread? It'll go out of it'll rise above that container, that small container. So now we are putting them inside the oven with our temperatures already marked, 176, for necessary for baking this kind of bread, white bread. There you go, the result product. This is how that container has shaped it up. The ones which were not covered and the ones which are sort of dark, you see they rose above that container level. So this is the result. So you can take it the slicer. Thank you so much for watching.